So I got the boat upside down on the car, got some foam over the roof racks and just upside down resting on the gunnels. Beautiful morning at Chifley Dam today. Of course, yeah, safety flag. So exciting, I finally got the boat rigged up, ready to go at Chifley Dam. Beautiful morning today. It's a previous video where I fixed up the sleeve, replaced the sleeve and button and hand grips on the oars, put new shoes in it, new nuts and bolts, and giving the boat a thorough clean. It's November now and the weather's finally a bit warmer. The aqua park is set up for summer. It'll be great fun to jump on that, go up and down all the obstacles. Good for kids and adults. So got the foot stretcher moved towards the rower, so it's a lot more comfortable now. Slides aren't sticking out as much here now. Move them back there. It's nice to have this boat on the water again, back in service. So that's today's fun over with. Gave the boat a quick row, a bit of a session on the water just to see how it feels with the new adjustments, and it's feeling really good. Might be a few tweaks to do in the future, but I'll see how I go. And now I've just got to put everything back on the car, take it home, give it a wash, and put it back in the shed. So with rowing boats, it's good to give them a wipe down or a wash down because you've got algae and mud and other things on the boat from being in the water, so that can wreck the surface of the boat and the finish of it if you don't clean it after every use. Rolling now.
Okay. Do you want me to... Okay.
Hopefully I don't fall in. I'll just stay in this bit.
Okay. Well, what are you particularly after? Technique? Just shots?
Just shots.
Okay.